Hello there, and welcome to Spelling Punctuation and Grammar Exercise Test 1. So we have this question here which says, which verb is created when this suffix is added to the noun? So in this case, we're just adding the suffix to the noun, and the noun is class, and the suffix is IFI. Now, if you were to add those together, then that gives us the word classify. Spelled correctly, of course, option number A. Let's have a look and see what suffixes are all about. So a suffix is a letter or a group of letters that go on the end of a word and changes the word's meanings. Sometimes they also change the original word spelling. When adding a suffix, you might have to double the last letter. So we've got some examples here. So when adding ed to drop, to the word drop, you also double the P so it becomes dropped. And in that yellow table, you can see some examples. You've got the words on the left, the suffixes following up, and then the new words, and then what's changed there as well. So the suffix is the second part of a word that you add together to create a brand new word. So for the rest of the questions in this exercise, do have a look at the individual images. That will give you much more information on the definition of the question in hand and how to actually answer the question. Good luck.